Okay, let's start the mentoring. Okay, ang topic natin for today is price action and smart money concept combined with more profit percentage. Okay? And then, ituturo ko din sa inyo yung PTS and PTL. Proven and tested short and proven and tested long. And guess what? Our last topic for today is how to take advantage the news. So let's start of the episode 6. Ngayon, gusto ko na ipaliwanag sa inyo lahat ng pwede nyo ma-encounter sa market. Okay? Gusto ko na ipaliwanag sa inyo lahat. So now, let's go to Solana. Okay, let's go to Solana. Okay, let's go to Solana muna first. Okay? So let's go to Solana. Okay? Just for the sake of example lang muna. Okay? So let's go to Solana. As you can see in Solana, on lower time frame, okay, on lower time frame, oh shit. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, ayan. So, alam nating lahat, ito ang topic natin for today, price action and smart money combined for more profits. Okay, for more profits. So, kadalasan kasi tayo, nagtatrade tayo using price action, which is tinuruan ko yung paano mag-price action, tinuro ko sa inyo yung proper risk management ng price action, tinuro ko sa inyo yung KCC na yan. Okay? Now, ang iisipin ng maraming tao, when it comes to KCC, titignan nila yan, crossplay, right around here, crossplay, okay? And makikita nila dyan, baka mamaya may play, okay? Or wait lang, mag-mute muna tayo guys, ayoko naman ng distraction. So, yan, okay? So, now, kadalasan ng tao, ang ginagawa nila is, humahanap ng KCC pattern, which is, slingshot play, burger play, sandwich play, cross play, and all that. Wave play, OMI play, marami pang iba. Okay, marami tayong hinahanap. So, kadalasan sa inyo, ganito ginagawa. So, pag nakita kayo ng crossplay right around here, ititrade nyo yan, take profit pang ilang bits. Take profit right around here. So, let's say for example, naglong si Juan, naglong siya here, stop loss niya will be here. Okay? Stop loss niya will be here, take profit niya will be the top wick, which is the liquidity. Okay? Marami sa inyo ganyan gumagawa, which is good. Wala akong masasabing mali. Okay? Wala akong masasabing mali doon. Ako nagturo niyan. And profitable tradable setup yan, ang tinatawag dyan. Okay? Profitable setup dyan. Okay, o let's say for example, dito na lang, para makatotohanan. Baka sabihin nyo, nanloloko lang tayo. Okay? So, kadalasan sa inyo, ganito ginagawang position, which is good. Okay? So, now, it will give you around 3.34%, okay, of win. Okay? So, let's say for example, nasa lower time frame tayo, ha? Let's say for example, tumaya ka ng 500 pesos, times natin yan sa 3.34 na panalo mo, which is, it will give you 1,670 pesos. Okay? Ayun ang ibibigay sa inyo. Pero, marami din sa inyo, ang ginagawa is smart money concept and then price action, which is good. Ayun dapat. So, now, in order na mas malaki yung ma-profit nyo sa mga ganitong klaseng scenarios, is kailangan nyo i-support to ng smart money, which is, ang gagamitin lang natin dito is fair value gap, change of character, gamitan natin yon, imbalances, and liquidity, plus order block. Si Sir Kim, magtuturo na ng order block. Si Sir Kim, makala ko ba, changing state of delivery yan? Yes. And guess what? It will retain for being a changing state of delivery. Okay? Now, let's see. So now, when it comes to price action, okay, kung titignan nyo maigi ang price action natin, is nilolong natin somewhere around here, tinitipi natin liquidities. So, it will give us 1.35%, which is kung tumaya tayo ng 1,000 pesos, 1,000 times natin yan sa 1.35, so it will give us 1,350. Okay? Which is good. It's still money. Money pa rin yan, pera pa rin yan. Pero now, gusto ko lang sanang ibigay sa inyo yung ganitong klase scenario. Again, apply the trade driver prior to the change of character na tinuro ko sa inyo, and now perform it. So, as you can see here, kung may price action ka dito, trade it. Walang pakialam, i-trade mo. Kung nakikita mo tradable setup yung setup mo dito, i-trade mo. Put manageable stop loss. Okay? Take profit. Ito isa sa mga technique na ituturo ko sa inyo. Okay? Kapag ang market ninyo is gumanito, okay? Kapag ang market nyo is ganyan, continuation upside po ang market. Okay? Let's say packet yung market. Sir Kim, paano mo napapatunayan na dadaos-dos siya? Paano mo napapatunayan na babagsak siya? And paano mo na-anticipate na kaya niyang bumagsak? So, ganito lang yung, hindi ko sinasabing technique to, pero it's a behavior of the market. If hindi natin kayang taasan yung previous high, and nagke-create na siya ng lundo na paste, and nagko-continue na siya bumaba ng ganito. So now, ganito yung technique. In order for you to identify if the market wants to go up or ayaw niya na ba talaga. So kapag ganito yung market natin tend to go up, possible tumakyat pa na umakyat yan kasi nga may break of structure right around here. So tataas siya. Pero kapag ganito yung nakita nyo sa market is nagkakaroon na tayo ng ganitong pace, ibig sabihin, possible hindi niya na kayang i-beat to. Possible hindi niya na kayang i-retain tong area sa to. Ngayon magkakaroon dito ng something order block. Okay? Something order block. So now, etong tips na binibigay ko sa inyo guys is mag-work to kapag ka meron kayong proven and tested na solid order block right around dito sa areas na to. Okay? Kung wala naman, okay lang din, pero still risky yun, hindi natin pinoposition yun. Pero ganito yung at some point, ganito yung nangyayari sa market. Ganyan. Okay? And kapag nakita ko na nagkakaroon na ng ganito and may naiwan na order block somewhere around here, iniisip ko na changing state of delivery na siya. It means, nakaharang na siya dyan. May blockage na tayo dito and possible, dyan lang i-stop ang pressure before it go down. Okay? And now, if mabubutas naman natin to, ito na yung pwede natin tawagin sa kanya na PTL. That's proven and tested long kasi hindi niya na kinaya. Hindi niya na kayang i-hold. Okay? Hindi na kayang i-hold yung area sa to. Okay? So now, that's proven and tested long if and only if babasagin natin ang regularity ng order block. Again, order block is changing state of delivery. Babaguhin niya ngayon yung pag-deliver niya sa presyo. Kung pababa ito, pag binasag mo to, pataas na to. Type mo na chat if naiintindihan nyo yung changing state of delivery of the market. Yun ang pinopoint ko dito. Okay? Type mo na chat if naiintindihan nyo. Kung hindi nyo maintindihan, let me know, comment nyo yan dyan down below. Pero as long as much as possible, magtanong kayo kung gusto nyo magtanong. Okay? If naiintindihan nyo, type mo na chat. So, ganun lang. Para magkaintindihan tayo dito. Guys, we cannot afford to repeat and repeat it all over again. Di natin afford lahat magkamali. Okay? Di natin afford. Kasi marami na tayong oras na nasasayang. Marami na kayong oras na nasasayang. I thought, nag-promise ako sa inyo na 2 to 3 months. Ba't sinasayang ko? Okay? Di natin sasayangin yung 2 to 3 months na binigay nyo sa akin. Okay? So, now, if ganito yung nakikita natin, na trend line, ibig sabihin, declining na siya, may order block ka dito. Now, go find your fair value gap. That's it. Where's your fair value gap? Malay ko sa'yo, hanapin mo. Okay? Sa higher time frame po ba, coach? Any time frame. Again, hindi ko kayo nililimit. Ang strategy natin, guys, is not limited by time frames. Hindi tayo limited sa time frame. Kung gusto mo mag-apply ng 30 seconds, go for it. As long as nakaya mo yung stress and yung pressure dun sa area na yun, go. Okay? Okay? Ganun yun. Again, hindi tayo limited sa time frame. Kung may nagsabi man sa inyo, sir, saan po magandang i-play yan? Yung ganyang strategy. 6 hours, troll. Solid doon, tol. Pag may nagsabi sa inyo ng ganon, ewan ko na lang. Okay? Sundin nyo na lang siguro. Professional siguro siya. Okay? Pero again, hindi tayo nililimit sa time frame. Walang time frame dito. Pag tinanong mo ako kung anong time frame to ipi-play out, I should ask you the same question. Anong trader ka ba kasi? Swing trader ka ba? Scalper ka ba? Babalik tayo sa ganung question. Paulit-ulit lang. Hindi ko sasagutin yung time mo. Kasi kami, scalper kami. So, pag scalper kami, nasa lower time frame kami. Eh, ang tanong, anong lower time frame? Ano ba mga lower time frame? Ayan na, 15, 5, 3, 2, 1. Now, nasagot ko ba yung tanong mo? Kung swing trader ka, nandito ka. 1, 2, 3, 4 daily to weekly. And who knows, baka 30 minutes. Okay? Ganun yun. So, now, let's go back. Kung makikita nyo, declining page. Now, may makikita kayong lows and lows. Again, this is a change of character, this is a break of structure. Saan nagpapakita ang fair value gap? Somewhere po around in this area. Okay, somewhere around this area. Pack, breakout, fair value gap, break of structure, and for sure, another fair value gap. And guess what? Anong play to? Sige nga, kung may mga mauutak na sa inyo, anong play yan? Congratulations, Ian. That's trade driver prior to the change of character. Exactly. Aldrey, Ravelo, JB, I'm Legend. That's trade driver prior to the change of character. Now, mahirap ba yun? Teklar, congrats. That's a trade driver prior to the change of character. Ano ang kailangan natin tignan para ma-prove and test na totoo or talagang mag-work ang tree driver prior to the change of character? Kailangan po natin ng change of character and break of structure. Again, change of character and break of structure. Itong area is a part of consolidation, rejection, and this is the confirmation zone. Dito dapat kayo magte-trade, hindi dito. Naintindihan? Sir Kay, bakit hindi pa pwede? Diba? Sasabihin nyo, bakit hindi pa pwede dito mag-trade? Akala ko ba tradable dyan? Confirmation, guys. You need a confirmation. And guess what? A run in a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. What if ginanto ka lang pala ni tropa? Okay? What if ginanyan ka lang pala? Dito ka nag-short. Kasi, trade driver na kamo yan, sabi ni Sir Kim. Eh, di short yan. Eh, bakit tumaas? Now, kawawa ka naman kasi nandun ka sa a run in a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. Nadamay ka. Kawawa ka naman. Okay? So, again, logic, guys. Simple logic. Now, let me give you the example. Again, ito na yung tinuro ko sa inyo, ha. Tips to. Para sa mga tao na nandito, nakikinig about dyan. So, now, this is the market applying or inclining, okay, paakyat na presyo, and this is the declining part. Now, as you can see here, down. Okay? This is the theoretical lang to, ha. Theory lang to, guys. Theoretical lang tayo. Baka kasi sabihin nyo, hindi naman gumagana yan. Hindi naman gumagana yan, Sir Kim. Diba? So, hindi nga to gumagana. So, kaya explain ko muna sa inyo. Okay? Hindi siya gumagana kasi. So now, makikita nyo dito, declining page. Now, go find the order block na pwede nyo makita. Do you have an order block? May order block ba kayo? So now, as you can see here, pwede nyo ma-counter to as a bearish order block. Right around here. Dito sa areas na to. There you go. Do you have a buy side liquidity right around here? Na-stop tayo or hindi na kayang basagin yung buy side liquidity right around in this area. Bakit? Is there a fair value gap? May fair value gap pala tayo dito. And guess what? Umusti lang siya. So now, pag ito, nabasag natin or nag-open tayo right around here, sa taas nito, ito mahirap to. I know some of you guys hindi to maiintindihan at first, okay? I will get it, okay? Maiintindihan nyo to soon, pero now, consider this one. This is the part, okay? This is the part, pag nabasag natin to, pwede natin siyang tawagin na PTL, or proven and tested long. And this is the part where we test it to proven and tested short, PTS. Ito na yung PTS natin. Naintindihan? That's an order block. Again, wala akong pakialam sa inyo kung anong gusto nyo gawin sa order block nyo. Hindi ko po positionan ng order block. Again, it's a changing state of delivery. Paulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa inyo. Hindi ko po positionan ng order block. Hindi yun yung purpose ng order block para sa akin. Bakit? Kung kayo, nahihirapan kayo umentry sa fair value gap, ako nadadalian ako. Ang order block, changing state of delivery. So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang point of interest sa dalawang part niya. It depends kung nasaan. So, ibig sabihin, umusni lang yung candle dito. PTL na yun. Akala ko ba nire-respect ang order block niyo? Akala ko ba respected order block niyo? So, ibig sabihin, pag tumama dyan, short na kayo. Sinong turo sa inyo? Okay? So, again, this is a PTS. If mag-open tayo below here ng PTS, that's proven and tested short. Now, we look for what? Let me know. Type nyo sa comment section down below. Ano naman ngayon ang hahanapin natin after ng PTS? Ano na ang susunod na hahanapin natin? Actually, nakikita nyo naman na. Pero still, I just want it to be transparent. I just want you to be transparent with me. That's correct. Fair value gap, change of character. BOS. Exactly. So now, do you have it? Do you have a fair value gap right around here? Do you have a fair value gap? Is this a low? Is this a lower time frame? Is this a lower time frame breakup structure or change of character? Do you have a fair value gap right around here? Do you have a fair value gap? Bakit sinabi ko ba mag-position ka dyan? Is there a tree driver prior to the change of character? Of course. Now, does it make any sense? Does make sense? Check nyo mabuti. Analyze it. Tignan nyo maigi. Change of character, break of structure, a fair value gap right around here. There you go. 1 to 3 chances of getting a trade. 1 to 3 chances of getting a trade. Fair value gap pa lang. Paano pa yung KCC natin? Napakadaming KCC dyan. Is this a crossplay? Naiwan na ba kayo, guys? Is this a crossplay? See? Huwag mo sa amin sasabihin o huwag mo sasabihin sa amin na hindi mo kaya i-trade yan. Maybe hindi mo kaya kasi hindi ka nanood ng hindi mo pinanood kung paano gumagana ang KCC. That's why, ganyan ka na lang. Okay? Pero kami hindi po pwede. There's no reason for you not to trade this one. We take advantage. Guys, again, short it. Okay? You have, ilan ba confirmation mo? 1, order block. 2, PTS. 3, fair value gap. 4, change of character. 5, break of structure. And guess what? The swing. 6. I guess that's 6. Natatakot ka pa rin mag-position? 6 na confirmation mo? Type Y in the chat, guys, if you get it. You have 6 confirmation na. Binigyan ko na kayo ng pinaka strongest way in order to tell you kung possible short, long ba yan. Marami sa inyo magugulat, marami sa inyo magtataka kung nag-work ba to real time, real chart. Again, prove me wrong, patutunayan ko sa inyo na gumagana to. Okay? Now, this week, tandaan nyo ha, this week, marami na naman tayo mapapatunayan. This week, marami na naman kayong patutunayan sa sarili nyo. Believe me, if I say this, kung hindi ka pa nagtitrade, maybe this week will be your first trade and this will be your first win ever. Gusto nyo ba nun? Again, believe me, this will be your higher probability in getting to a trade which is a profitable, tradable setup. Guess what? Ito pa lang eh. Yung tinuro ko pa lang sa inyo na ganito eh. And guess what? May mga clean traffic dyan. Oh my God. Kukunin nyo yan. And guess what? Kukunin nyo itong lahat ng liquidity na to. Now, mag-proceed na tayo dun sa oh shit, Sir Kim, ibig sabihin ba yan? Hindi mo pa tinuturo sa amin yung first topic for tonight? Nope. Wala pa akong tinuturo, guys. Binigyan ko pa lang kayo ng tips. Tips pa lang yan, ha? Tips pa lang to. Hindi pa ako nagsisimula. This only a tips. Additional tips for you, guys. For your confirmation. Guys, meron pa tayong 3 topic. Di pa ako nag-i-start. Okay? Di pa ako nag-i-start. Now, let me prove to you that something will work. Real time, real chart. Okay? Stay put. Again, guys, hindi nga ako nagtitrade. Hinahayaan ko lang yung market ngayon. Naka-long position ako sa EUR-USD. Hinahayaan ko lang siya. Pakialam ko sa kanya. Okay? Step aside nyo muna yung mga tinatrade nyo ngayon. Makinig muna kayo dito, guys. Pag nagsimula na ako, hindi nyo na kayang i-stop to. Wala pang SMC. Now, doon na tayo sa first topic natin ngayon. How price action and smart money combined with more profit percentage and high chance of more winning trades. Now, kung itatrade natin yung price action natin right around here, okay? Now, kung itatrade natin yung price action natin right around here, madalas sa inyo, ganito gagawin. Short right around here, stop loss will be the top wick, and take profit will be the imbalances or whatsoever na makikita nyo dyan. And guess what? Madalas naman sa inyo, nati-trail stop, madalas sa inyo nakakapag-break even na. So, profitable setup for you. Now, if let's say for example, you know how to use the support and resistance, right? Now, some of you will trade this area of KCC. Again, guys, ha? Tandaan nyo itong sinasabi ko ngayon. Shorting position right around here. Take profit right around here. Now, let's see how many percentage is that. 0.29%. Let's say, for example, tumaya ka ng 5,000 pesos. Times natin yan sa 0.29%. You only get 1,450 pesos. Okay? Maliit. Now, di ba kayo nagtataka? Minsan, 2 or 1 candlestick pa lang, ang taas na ng profit natin. It's just because, guys, malaki ang margin ko. Mataas ang margin ko. Again guys, pag maliit ang margin mo, pero gumagamit ka ng price action, magiging profitable trader ka. Pero still, hindi lalaki yung pera mo ng sobrang laki katulad ng sa akin. I'm just being honest with you guys. I'm just being transparent with you. Type Y in a chat if you feel me. If you feel me. Legit, I'm just being honest with you guys. Nagiging totoo lang ako sa inyo. Hindi lalaki yung pera nyo katulad ng sa akin. Believe me. Okay? Believe me. Again guys, alam ko yan. Okay? Marami na sa inyo nagtataka. Marami na sa inyo napapa-question. Isang candlestick lang, ang laki ng panalo natin. Dahil marami nga sa inyo nakakaalam din, malaki ang margin ni Sir Kim. 600, 500, 700, 800 to 900 US dollar ang tinataya ko sa isang trade. Which is, kahit isang galaw lang ng candlestick is ang napakalaki na nun. Now, don't worry. Nandito si Sir Kim nyo. And guess what? Dinevelop ko na kayo ng something mag-work para sa inyo na kahit $30, $50 to $100 ang taya nyo, kikita kayo ng malaking pera. Gusto nyo nun? Again, kahit na $3 lang laman nyo, $5, $10, $15, I already developed it, guys. Hindi ako matalino. It's just mautak lang ako. It's just mautak lang ako. Okay? If nagawa ko yon, kaya nyo din. Again, guys, dinevelop ko yan. Dinidevelop ko yan. Alam ko na yan. So, type Y in the chat if you want to hear it. Let me know. Are you ready? This is the last chance for you to get a water. Kumain na kayo. Kumuha kayo ng pagkain nyo. So, let's start. Okay? So, now let's go. This is your first win, right? Pak! TP hit, Sir Kim, congrats. Now, what if ganito? May ituturo muna ako sa inyo. Just be quiet, okay? May ituturo lang ako sa inyo. Okay, may ituturo lang ako sa inyo. Okay. Go. Okay. So, ay, nagkaroon daw ng ads. Okay. Okay. Sige. Hindi ko pa sinisimulan, guys, ha. Hindi pa ako nag-start. Nahayaan ko lang matapos yung advertisement niya. Okay na? Okay na ba lahat? Okay na. Okay na lahat, ha? Okay. Now, sino dito nakaranas na 3 driver hindi sinundo? Sino dito ang hindi nasundo ng 3 driver prior to the change of character nila? Me. Sino pa? Isa lang? Si Ma'am Cassie. Oh. Now, let me explain something to you. This is the first pair valley gap na maybe talagang susunduin. This is your change of character. This is your break of structure. And now, magkakaroon kayo ng fair valley gap right around here. And guess what? Hindi kayo sinundo. Tama? Second fair valley gap, third fair valley gap, maybe sinundo kayo, maybe hindi. So, let's say hindi na lang. Okay, let's say hindi na lang kayo sinundo. And guess what? That will be your last fair valley gap. Hindi pa rin kayo sinundo. This is the worst come to worst, guys. Okay, this worst come to worst. Hindi kayo sinundo ng lahat. Okay? Kasi nasa lower time frame lahat yan. Okay? Next. Nakikita nyo na ba? Nakikita nyo? Nakikita nyo yung tinuro ko kanina? Now, ako magsasabi sa inyo, hanapin mo yung KCC natin dito, a fair value gap, a change of character, 3 driver prior to the change of character. Nakikita nyo tong mga hindi kayo sinundo? Nakikita nyo yung mga hindi kayo sinundo? Now, Let's say for example, paguguluhin ko na utak nyo ha. Let's say for example, there's a fair value gap right around here. Dito. Change of character. Yan. Okay. There's a fair value gap right around there. Okay. Now the price move up. Okay. Now, kapag may nakita kayo na crossplay right around here, dito sa area na to, crossplay or kahit anong play, anong target nyo? Let me know. Type nyo dyan sa comment section. Ano tatargetin nyo? Short kayo dito, di ba? O, yan, short. O, short. Stop loss, stop wick, o kahit saan nyo ilagay. Fair value gap. Okay. Let me make this clear. Okay? Let me make this clear. Maniniwala ba kayo pag sinabi ko sa inyo babasagin to? Maniniwala ba kayo pag sinabi ko sa inyo dadaanan lahat yan? Lahat ng hindi kayo sinundo na fair value gap dito, guess what? Wala akong pakialam. Babasagin yan ng market. Legit. Babasagin yan. So, balik tayo sa question ko. Saan ang take profit mo? That's your crossplay. Dadaanan mo lahat yan. Hindi mo kailangang i-cut. Hindi mo kailangang i-cut yung position mo. Kasi, babalikan mo yan. And guess what? Iisipin ng mga tao na pag tinamaan ng fair value gap bounce, tama? Long! Pag tinamaan ng long, pag tinamaan long, pag tinamaan long. And guess what? Yan ang pagkain natin. Liquidity natin sila. I know, magulo sa some of you, pero let's take a look at this one. 3 driver prior to the change of character, a fair value gap. Another fair value gap. And guess what? Another fair value gap. And guess what? I don't even know what to say, pero you're seeing it. Okay? You're seeing it. Okay? You're seeing it, guys. You're seeing it. Kayo makakita niyan. Type Y na chat. Go massive, type Y na chat. If nagets nyo yung point ko na yan. And that's it. Hindi nyo kailangan i-cut yung running profit nyo. No need. Now, count your wins. Kahit nga isa lang yan. Kahit yung crossplay lang. And guess what? Hindi ko kayo hahayaan mag-crossplay lang dyan. Hindi po pwedeng crossplay lang ang trade nyo. Zoom in. This is the part where you zoom in the market. And guess what? Fuck you if hindi nyo makikita yung fair value gap na yan. If hindi nyo makikita yung 3 driver prior to the change of character na yan, I don't know about you guys. Maybe kailangan mo na magpa-check sa EO. And guess what? I don't know. Kill it, guys. Kill it. Just kill it. Okay? That's it. That's it. How many tradable orders na pwede nyo makita dyan? You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 tradable orders filled. Lahat nakain nyo. That's it. Now, let's compare your win. Let's compare. So now, from here to here, take profit. Let's say 10,000, let's say 1,000 pesos. Times natin sa profit percentage mo na 0.28%. That will be 280 pesos. I know profit is profit, but still, wala tayong oras. Okay? Wala na tayong oras para maglaro pa. Marunong na kayo mag-trade. Apply nyo na lahat. Now, let's say 1,000 pesos. Times ngayon natin sa ilang percentage na nakapasok pa sa trade. So, I don't know. So, from here, let's say isa lang ha. Let's say isa lang. Times 1.97, that will give you almost 2,000 pesos win. Okay? It will give you 1,000 win. 1,000 pesos win. Eh, guess what? Hayaan ko ba kayong isang position lang gagawin nyo? I don't. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako naniniwalang isa lang. pwedeng 2, 3, 4, and guess what? Pwedeng 5. Now, that's the price action and smart money combined for more profits. Okay? Ganyan siya laruin. Okay? Ganyan natin siya lalaruin. Okay? Simple as that. Hindi nyo kailangan pahirapan sarili nyo. Ipahihirapan nyo sarili nyo, kayo na nagpapagulo sa sarili nyo. Pero still, I'm making it clear as much as possible. Now, gumamit ba ako ng order block? Diba? Ginamit ko ba yung order block as my position? I believe hindi. I believe ginamit ko lang siyang I don't know. Diba? I believe ginamit ko lang siya as my PTS and PTL. Proven and tested long, proven and tested short. Again, order block is changing state of delivery. Tama yung sinabi ni I Am Legend. Gamitin for confirmation lang, pero hindi for position. Again, guys, wala akong pakialam kung gusto niyo mag-position sa order block. Okay? Kayo bahala. Pero hindi yun ng akin. Hindi yun ng forte ko. Okay? Kaya ko mag-position fair value gap alone. Yun ang gagamitin ko. Doon ako sanay. Hindi ko kailangan palitan yung strategy ko para lang sa'yo. Yan ang nag-work sa akin. Ito gagamitin ko. Ito tuturo ko. Lahat na nag-work sa akin, ito tuturo ko. Ba't ako magtuturo ng mali? Okay? So again, paano mapatunayan yung mali ako sa sinasabi ko? Prove me wrong. Okay? Prove me wrong. Mag-position kayo. Tignan nyo maigi. Apply nyo lang yung sinabi ko sa inyo. And now, it's your job to prove me wrong. Patunayan yung mali ako dyan. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay? Ganun lang pong kasimple. Now, another example for PTS and PTL. Okay? Another example for PTS and PTL. So now, as you can see, the market is driving upside and consolidating. This is, I think, Saturday, Sunday to. Tama, ayan, Saturday, Sunday. So, ito yung Sunday, Monday. Ito, Sunday, Monday, which is a consolidation. Okay? Which is a consolidation. Ano daw? Cause, ibig sabihin ba, pag nag-position sa OB, is gahaman na rin or greedy? Hindi. Hindi. Okay? Hindi ibig sabihin, nag-position ka sa order block, is ibig sabihin ng greedy ka. It's just, you're positioning in a non-tradable setup. So, matatalo ka lang doon. Ba't ka magpo-position? Non-tradable setup yun. Ba't mo tatayaan yung non-tradable setup? Hindi ka greedy nun. Ang tawag sa'yo nun, wala kang alam sa market. And kung pinaulit-ulit mo yun, definitely magiging gahamang ka at greedy ka. Ayun na ang bagsak mo niyan. Ayun ang paniniwalaan mo. Pero again, hindi ko pinaposition ng order block kasi it's a changing state of delivery. Pwede ma-long, pwede ma-short dun sa area na yun. It doesn't matter. Okay? Yes, parang I consider the order block is a 50-50. Yes, totoo yun. Kino-consider ko ang order block as a 50-50 state. So, let's say, for example, pag tinamaan yun, hindi yun yung way para ma-short ko yung market. Pag tinamaan yun, doon ko masasabi kung nasa ng deliveries ng market. Let's say, for example, ganito. Isipin nyo na lang ganito. Ito order block nyo. Now, yung market nyo is bumaba. Order block to, di ba? Ito order block. So, now, bumaba. Ngayon, kapag tinamaan niya to, okay, kapag tinamaan niya to, kailangan niya gumawa ng move. Kasi, ito yung magpapump sa kanya, ito yung magpa-fuel sa kanya kung saan niya gusto pumunta. Yun ang trabaho ng order block para sa akin. I don't know about you guys, pero ito yung trabaho ng order block para sa akin. Taga-fuel lang siya. Okay? Pero hindi siya yung driver. Taga-pump lang siya ng gasolina dyan. Siya lang ang nagpa-pump ng gasolina. Pero ang driver ng market is the fair value gap and the price action alone. Type Y na chat if naintindihan nyo. Ganun siya para sa akin. Again, ang order block po is fuel lang, hindi siya yung driver. Ang magdadrive niyan is yung fair value gap. Yun ang magpe-play niyan. Okay? So now, kung nandito yung market natin, pag binasag yan, or hindi talaga kinaya yan, dito na mapiplay yung sinasabi nyo. Diyan mo na makikita yung fair value gap mo na maganda, na malinis, malinaw, pwede mo na siya i-short. Again, pwede mong i-place yung stop loss mo sa order block. That's it. That's a clue na kailangan nyo. Ayun yung clue na hinihintay nyo. Ibig sabihin ba niyan, Sir Kim, order block is good for stop loss? Exactly. Kasi it's a changing state of delivery. So, kung dito mo nilagay ang stop loss mo, dapat dyan palang talo ka na. Bakit? Kasi tataas na yan. Type Y na chat. If you get what I mean. As simple as that. Diba? Common sense. Sentido common. That's common sense, guys. That's very common sense. Okay? Common sense. Sir, paano pag na-stop loss kami ang tawag dito, paano pag na-stop loss kami kay order block? Magpo-position pa ba kami? Pwede. Ngayon, hahanapin nyo 3 drivers sa taas. Pero, what if ganito, Sir Kim? Stop loss, and then tsaka nag-play yung sinasabi nyo. Ibig sabihin nun, fair loss ang tawag mo doon. So, ibig sabihin, it's okay, consider that as your tuition fee. And now, bawiin mo siya dito. Bakit? Proven and tested short na yun eh. Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang gusto mo? Manghihinayang ka ba? Dahil natalo ka dito? MPTS na nga siya eh. So, ibig sabihin, proven tested short na siya. Ano na? Diba? So, now, let's clear this one. And now, let's go to Solana. So, as you can see here, okay, as you can see here, you have a massive sideways consolidation right around here. Now, kung makikita nyo, do you see an order block? May nakikita ba kayong order block? Okay, may nakikita na ba kayong order block? So, I believe ito is para sa akin. Okay, may order block ako right around there. Okay, order block, and then order block right around here. Okay, so this will be your PTL. That will be your proven and tested long, PTL. Sorry, that will be your PTL, and this will be your PTS. PTS, the order block. Now, kung makikita nyo, change of character. Actually, dito pa nga lang, pwede na eh. Pero dito kasi nagkaroon tayo ng mas mataas na highs. Okay, may highs, mas mataas to. So now, ito kailangan natin. Ito is dapat bumaba. So, change of character, break of structure. Now, I don't know about you guys, pero yeah, you get what I mean. Fair value gap, trade driver prior to the change of character, then short. Okay? Malinaw ba? Let me know, type mo ngayon na chat, di na kay bata, para isa-isahin ko pa yan. Marunong kayo niyan. I know, nababasa nyo naman yung gusto ko sabihin. Okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Diba? Sir, paano ba na-open dito? Paano pag lumasa dito? Long nga. Long nga. Diba? Long nga eh. Proven tested long. Ayan may mga fair value gap dyan Let's go. Diba? Kaya, see? Now, I don't know hindi ko alam. Okay, hindi ko alam kung sino gumagamit nito. Hindi ko alam kung sinong ano nito. Pero ang ginamit ko lang na concept dito is gumawa ako ng sarili kong concept sa utak ko kung paano ko mapapaposisyonan as much as possible kung paano ko magiging guide then yung order block. Pero hindi ko siya gagawin position area sa inyo. Again, I don't know kung meron man sa inyo kung may nakita na kayong PTL and PTS mentoring sa order block or sa smart money concept. I think ako na lang nag-made up niyan. Ginawa ko na lang to sa sarili ko kasi marunong ako mag-price action. Sir Kim, saan po ba nag-originate yung PTS and PTL mo na yan? Basic. Support and resistance. There's no secret for that. That's only a support and resistance. Okay? That's a support and resistance. Ganun na kasimple. Anong gusto nyo marinig sa akin? Kinumpit ko yan? Sinulat ko yan sa notebook na napakaraming beses? Pinicturean ko yan? Araw-araw ko tinitignan? No. It's just a support and resistance. That's all. After all, it's just a support and resistance and the price action and algorithm all alone. Ba't ko kailangan pahirapan sarili ko? Now, gumawa ako ng mas maganda at nag-engineer ako ng sarili kong way kung paano mas mabibigay sa inyo na mas mabuti. Again, I cannot wait na ma-discover to ng mga tao. I cannot wait na maaral nila to ng mabuti. I cannot wait na ma-apply nila to sa mga trading strategy nila. And I'm proud to say, PTL and PTS, it's just a made-up way para sa akin. Gawa-gawa ko lang siya. Wala akong pinagkuhanan yan. To be honest with you, hindi ko nga nakikita yan kay ICT sa tagal ko nanood sa kanya. Hindi ko alam yan. Pero it's just, ginamit ko yung way niya on how to observe order block kung paano paglaruan ng order block. Again guys, para lang siya nagpalaman ng tinapay na Nutella, pero pwede palang samahan ng peanut butter yon. Ba't hindi niya nilagyan? Mas masarap pala. Di ba masarap na yung Nutella? Mas masarap pa daw pag nilagyan ng peanut butter eh. Hindi, parang ganun yung ginawa ko. Changing state of delivery of order block is the best way. Pero some of the people, nami-misinterpret nila yung paggamit ng order block. Walang problema guys. Ako, feel free. I accept all of your criticism. Criticize nyo ako regarding order block. Walang problema. It's just, ito yung gumagana sa akin eh. Anong gagawin ko? Di ba? Again, to be honest with you guys, para lang makapag-create ako ng ganito, hindi lang araw yan. Baka kasi iniisip nyo, kahapon ko lang naisip to eh. No. It takes months and months and months of trial and error for me to do. Again guys, kung maiisip nyo lang, napakadami ko ng inimbento na scratch lahat. Yung mga natitira lang is yung MS, PTL, PTS. Ito yun. And guess what? Marami pa ako dito. Yung 3 driver, isa pa yan. KCC, isa na rin yan. But I'm proud to say, this is my product. PTL and PTS. Proven and tested long, proven and tested short. It's just a support the resistance after all. Okay? Ganun lang. Simple as that. Now, let's look for another example. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 on a daily time frame. Okay, let's take a look at the S&P 500 on a daily time frame. Now, as you can see here, on Bitcoin, on S&P 500, wag tayo dito. Baka kasi mawala yung drawing ko eh. Okay, siguro kay gold na lang. Kasi hati-hati eh. Baka mawala yung drawing ko eh. So, ayan. Okay? Let's take a look at, ito, good example, which is the daily time frame of gold. Okay? Backtest ka sa akin mamaya. Okay? No worries, sir. Nasa JC. Sana may trading course na sa college. I don't know if magkakaroon yan. Pero alam ko sa marketing tinuturo to. Tsaka sa mga accountings. Ewan ko hindi ko alam. Kasi kailangan nila ng profit and shares eh. And equity, delivery shares, and equilibrium. Kailangan nila yon. Henyo ka, coach. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anyways, so let's take a look. Okay? Let's take a look at again. Okay? Check natin. Sige, patunayan natin na tama si Sir Kim. Patunayan natin na ganito, ganyan. Sige, mag-iimbento tayo. Okay, game. Higher time frame. Is this an order block? Let me know. Type nyo sa comment section. Is this an order block? Sige, dahan-dahan lang tayo ha. Dahan-dahan tayo. Di tayo nagmamadali. Is that an order block? Good. Order block. PTL, pumiyo ka. PTL is sa taas, PTS is sa baba. Okay? Pero hindi ibig sabihin, isi-short nyo na yan sa PTS. Okay? And guess what? Hindi ibig sabihin na tumama yan dyan, isi-short nyo na. No. We look for what? 3 driver prior to the change of character or the fair value gap alone or the KCC alone. Huwag na kayo tumawa guys. Di ko na dapat babanggitin. Pumiyok pa eh. So anyways, let's go back. There you go. You have it. Fair value gap, but walang change of character. Invalid. Is this an invalid fair value gap? Let me know. Type nyo dito sa comment section. Is this an invalid fair value gap? Anyone? Is this invalid? Joshua. Rabelo. Yes po, this is invalid. Okay? Wala man change of character eh. Nandito yung change of character. And dito sa Berikop structure. So, ibig sabihin, nandito ang fair value gap. Okay? And guess what? You see the difference. Short. Fair value gap. Short. Sir Kim, bakit tumaas? Di stop loss ako dyan. Pakialam ko sa'yo. Sinabihan na kita. paulit-ulit ko sinasabi, hindi porkit tumama, short. KCC pa rin ang hihintayin nyo. Napakadali. KCC pa rin ang hihintayin nyo. Maghanap kayo sa 15 minutes. Imposibleng di mo ma-short yan. Baka kasi ang ginawa mo, nung tumama, ni-short mo, na-stop loss ka tuloy. Pero kami, kung magpo-position kami dyan, KCC hanapin namin, short, stop loss namin will be the created top wick. Simple as that. Diba? Di yung stop loss mo, yan ang stop loss namin. GG ka naman, kawawa ka naman. Kinain ka lang namin. Okay? And guess what? Again and again. Check your fair value gap. Now, PTS. Again guys, ganito na lang para di kayo malito. Okay? Yung interpretation nyo regarding PTS and PTL. Kapag ka may PTS na kayo, ang gagawin nyo, nagkukulang kayo, ha? Gets? Type ba? Gets? Gets ba na lahat? Pag nagkukulang kayo, ha? Kapag nalilito kayo, you have a confirmation. Hindi kayo po pwede magkamali. Kailangan nyo ng confirmation. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4 confirmation. And guess what? Pang-5 yung KCC natin. Now, let me know. Tingnan natin kung sino matatalo dito. I don't know. Okay? Gusto ko na itong i-spoil sa inyo way back before, but still, it needs time. Kailangan talaga. Tingnan nyo pinrogram ko itong mentoring natin para mas madali ang kayo lahat. Tinuro ko na sa inyo yung 3 driver prior to the change of character. May nagtatanong pa dito kanina, nabasa ko kanina lang. For example daw ng 3 driver prior to the change of character. Definitely, we won't do that. Okay, hindi namin yung gagawin dito. Marami ka na miss out na live. And pag tinuro ko sa iyo ngayon yun, definitely malilito ka lang. And ayoko mangyari yun sa'yo. So, panoorin mo na lang kung paano ko tinuro yung 3 driver prior to the change of character sa mga previous mentoring program namin. Okay? I won't do that. Magalit ka na sa akin kung magagalit ka, but still, I just want to protect your mind sa market. It's about manipulation. Okay? It's about all of manipulation and yung emotions mo sa market. Baka pag tinuruan kita ng trade driver, mamaya, i-trade mo na yan without having a proper knowledge. And hindi ko ituturo yun ngayon dito. Kasi marami ng iba na alam to. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kailangan yung mapatunayan muna ngayon. Okay? Kailangan yung makita ngayon na dapat wag kayo ma-miss out ng isang mentoring mo. Kahit yung live, wag na kayo umattend ng live kung gusto nyo. But still, may mga tinuturo ako doon, mga key pointers. Okay? May tinuturo akong key pointers doon. Yung PTS nga, alam na nila yan eh. Yung iba sa inyo, alam na yung PTS tsaka PTL. Kasi pine-perform ko na to sa live. But still, hindi ko pa tinuturo not until now. Okay? Again, ganun lang kasimple. Now, Sir Kim, ibig sabihin ba niyan, kung may PTS and PTL ako dito, and may declining trend ako, so that's proven and tested short, right? Yes. Now, if na-perform ko yung 3 driver prior to the change of character, now, Sir Kim, paano pag may nakita pa akong order block ulit sa loob ng consolidation? Pwede ko bang gamitin yon? Yes. Take a look. Is this an order block? Is this an order block? Okay? PTS, sorry. Hindi TTS. Ano TTS? Sorry. That's PTS. This is a per value. This is an order block, correct? And this is the PTS. And guess what? Take a look. Okay? Declining. So now, that's proven and tested short. And guess what? Kahit nga hindi, ito lang sasabihin ko sa inyo. Kahit hindi 3 driver ang ma-perform nyo dito. Sige, pakita ko kayo. Let's say, for example, hindi ka marunong gumamit ng 3 driver. Ayan that's 3 driver. Hindi mo kayang i-perform to. Matatrade mo ba to? Of course. Ano, iyak ka na? Ilang basag na support para masabing short? Let me know. Type in a comment section down below. Ilang basag na support ang kailangan ko? Exactly. Dalawa. Ano makikita, anong gagawin nyo after nyo makita yung dalawa? Ano hahanapin nyo ngayon? Two break support and resistance that's proven and tested short. Now, does it make sense? PTS and PTL, support and resistance after all. And guess what? Kapag nakita nyo yung dalawang basag na support, hindi ko kayo niyayaya na i-short na dito kasi it won't give you that one. I want you to break the 2 support, which is 1, 2, and this is your 3. And guess what? Just zoom in, guys. What do you see? Zoom in, guys. Just zoom in. Is that a crossplay? Type Y in the chat, guys. Go. Massive Y in the chat. Y. Just Y in the chat, guys. That's it. There you go. I hope you guys appreciate the KCC after all. See? It's all according to our plan. Okay, balik tayo sa topic. So, PTS and PTL, Sir Kim, this is an order block. Is this a PTS? Of course. Go find the tradable setup. Is this a PTS, Sir Kim? Yes. Again, it's a PTS. Go find the fair value gap right around here. Sir Kim, is this a PTS? Yes. PTS and PTL. There you go. Pwede mo itong kunin. This is PTS and PTL. There you go. And here is the PTL. Here's the PTL. Hoy, Sir Kim, nandadaya ka na, ha? Gago ka talaga. Huli ka. PTL. Sasabihin ng mga tao. Okay, Sir Kim, huli. Order block. Bakit bearish yan? Type Y na chat, guys. Sir Kim, huli. Akala ko ba short? Eh, bakit bumutas? Akala ko ba short? Huli ka. Akala mo, gago ka talaga, Kim, ha? Tsantsado ka talaga, Dex. Tantado ka talaga. PTS. Ayan. Di ba? Ano ba sabi ko sa inyo? Balik tayo dito, ha? PTS. What? Go find your 3 driver prior to the change of character. Short. PTS. Go find your tradable setup. Go find your 3 driver prior to the change of character. Short. Do you have a 3 driver to the upside for PTL? I guess wala. I guess wala. So that's a short. That's it. Type Y in the chat if you get it. That's it. Now, is it all according to our plan? Akala ko ba tinuruan ko kayo? Now, yung tinuro ko bang 3 driver, change of character, break of structure, a run in a higher time frame, a trend in a lower time frame, price action, KCC, order block, or whatsoever, is it working according to our plan? I guess, hindi na kayo malilito ngayon. I program you something that really works real time, real chart. Believe me, maybe ngayon, theoretically pa lang to. Pero guess what? I cannot wait na marami sa inyo makagets neto and marami sa inyo makapag-fulfill netong sinasabi ko ngayon. And believe me, it won't be long. Hindi magtatagal. Marami ako makikita sa Twitter natin na magtatag na naman sa atin regarding dito. And guess what? Please do so. Kasi that's your history. Ayaw nyo ba naman makikita nyo future self nyo na, oh shit, dati tinitrade ko lang to ngayon. Binaster ko na siya. Okay? So that's it. That's it. Now, sir, wait lang, Sir Kim. Aalis ka na, Sir Kim. Gago ka talaga. Gagawin pa kitang TikTok eh. Wait ka lang. Okay, wait ka lang, Sir Kim. Gagawin pa kitang TikTok. Ibabash pa kita. Wait lang. Ano to? Diba? Ano to, Sir Kim? Ha? Oh. Naku po, Sir Kim, patay ka. Sabi ko na nga ba, magagawan ka na naman ng TikTok eh. Di sa PTS. Order block. Hindi nyo naman kailangan laging ganito gawin. But still, keep that in mind. So now, ito yung gusto ko ipaiwatig sa inyo ng PTS and PTL. Kailangan dito ngayon mag-create ng trade driver prior to the change of character pataas kasi that's proven and tested long. Okay? That's proven and tested long. Nakikita nyo ba tong gold na to sa daily time frame? Order block ba to? Hindi siya order block. So, ibig sabihin, it makes sense na ito is proven and tested long kasi babasagin lang natin to. That's liquidity, guys. That's a liquidity to take in. If hindi nyo na-realize o hindi nyo na-imagine yung mangyayari dito is ganito yan. And guess what? A fair value gap. Yung mga hindi kayo sinundo na fair value gap, I don't know about you guys, pero I believe na pag-usapan na natin to. I believe pag hindi ka sinundo, babasagin, di ba, Sir Kim? Gets nyo na ngayon? Nakakatakot ba? Nakakatayo ba ng balahibo? Sasagasaan natin yan. Sasagasaan natin yan. Type Y na chat, guys. There you go. Congratulations sa lahat. Sa inyo lahat. So, that's it. Okay. Ang last na tuturo ko sa inyo for today's is how to take advantage the news. Okay. I think, ito, ganito ginagawa ng iba eh. So, that's why I want to make this clear. Ngayon pa lang, na be careful. Okay. Na be careful. Okay. So now, paano natin ito iyan? Okay. So, punta tayo dito. Okay. So now, okay. Wait. Okay. So now, iyan na natin to. Okay. So, check nyo to maigi, ha? Okay? Check nyo to maigi. So, ito gagawin nyo. Ito yung nangyayari every news. Okay? Ito yung nangyayari sa atin every news. Okay? Ito yung nangyayari sa atin every news. Again, guys, bago mag-news, ipinupush po ang price upside, downside. Yung pinaka-edge nila. Pinupush nila kung saan nila gusto. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo dito, this is, malapit na, kung makikita nyo sa taas, it's 1:59, 2 o'clock. That's an FOMC news. This is an FOMC news. Makikita nyo, 1:59, and then, pagpasok, bago, pumasok ng news, and guess what? Tignan nyo mangyayari sa price. And guess what? Okay? Bago bumalik, bago mag 201, okay? Bago mag 201, etong mga tao na nandito ngayon, ililiquidate to ng long. And guess what? Ito yung makikita nyo next. Okay? Type 1 na chat if na-gets nyo, ganito na mangyayari. Again guys, ganito palagi. Ganito palagi. It's either upside or downside, ha? Vice versa. Baliktarin nyo lang. Ganito palagi ang news. Okay? Kaya, I don't want you guys to trade the news. It's just, ganito mangyayari sa inyo. Walang safest way. Pero marami kasi sa inyo nagre-risk na dito pa lang. Yung pinakita kong video sa inyo dito, marami sa inyo, ganito na. Ayan. Yung huling bit ng red or ng green na to, naka-short na kayo dyan. Kasi, kukunin nyo yung liquidity niya dito sa baba. And guess what? Ganito mangyayari. Tapos, dito pala, mag-exit na kayo ng trade. Dapat, exit na kayo dyan. Ano daw? Lahat ng news yan? O FOMC lang? Lahat ng news, ganito. It depends sa oras lang. Minsan 8 o'clock, minsan 8:30, minsan 2 p.m. 2 a.m. Okay? So, ganyan siya. Dapat makuha nyo na yan. Tapos, matipin nyo na yan, ganyan. Pero, I'm not recommending you guys to trade that. Hindi ko nare-recommend. It's just, ito ang mangyayari sa inyo pag tinrade nyo. Mga nakakapag-advantage lang na ito sa market yung kaya makapag-trade niyan, pero it's not professionally. Hindi siya professional. It's gambling. Ayan ang tinatawag nating it's casino time. Okay? It's casino time! Diba? So, ayan siya. So, I hope, iwasan nyo itong mga ganitong way ng market. And guess what? Diba? Punta na lang kayo sa chart nyo, and now, re-reviewin nyo kung ano nangyari ng movement na yon. Okay? Ayun na lang yung pinaka-the best way para sa inyo, guys. Reviewin nyo kung ano yung nangyari ng movement na yon. Makikita nyo, downside, is this no, check natin. Ito. Ayan. Pinush nila downside yung presyo, pero, nandito. Kinuha natin liquidity and biglang sumabog prior sa news. Okay? So, napaka-risky niyan. Again, ang mga professional traders po is hindi nyo tinitrade yung non-farming payroll na yan. Okay? Huwag nyo ititrade yung NFP. So, laging 30 minutes or 1 hour after ng news. 30 minutes lang pala. So, maximum na yung 30 minutes. Doon lang kayo magtitrade. Okay? So, nagkakaintindihan ba tayong lahat, guys? Type Y na chat. May natutunan ba kayong bago tonight? Okay? Let me know. So, there you go, guys. Again, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nanood dito. Palike na lang ako ng live natin guys. Palike na lang ako. So thank you so much sa mga nag-like ng live natin ngayon sa live. And I really do appreciate you guys coming by here. And guess what? This is the episode 6 of the mentoring program na inihain ko para sa inyo.